Sales numbers in from the Canadian Real Estate Association for October. There's 4 numbers I'm always worried about. I'm going to give them to you here. Sales numbers compared to last year, average price compared to last year, listings, how much inventory we have compared to last year, and then of course, what's the months of inventory? That's your supply and demand. So if we start looking at the numbers, we were down about 4.3% in sales October to October of last year. Not catastrophic, but still not positive, if you know what I'm saying. And then if we look at average price, it was down 1.1%. So really not a lot of movement there. That's because we're sitting in a balanced market right now, which I'll tell you more about in just a moment. But if you look at active listings, they're up 7.2%. So think about that. Our inventory is up 7.2%. Our sales are down 4.3%. That tells you what sort of direction we see the market going right now. And what's happening, we got more inventory, more sellers are going to compete to sell, more buyers are going to try to get a better deal. So what's going to happen with prices? But in terms of months of inventory right now, we're sitting in really a balanced market at about 4.4 months of inventory. So if I look at all of these numbers, I think to myself, what's going on? Not much, really. And by the way, these numbers in October really wouldn't take into account the last rate decrease. We won't see the results of that until November, which we're sitting in right now. So it's still hard to say. But if I had to predict going forward, I think we're going to see more of the same, for November, even for December. I think what we want to do is prepare for what we have right now, right through to probably the spring of next year. And then I think as we move into the spring of next year, we'll see if we have more rate cuts. We see what happens economically, with inflation and GDP and all of these numbers. And that will be the telltale, I think, as to what sort of spring we're going to have in real estate. But here's what I do know. Even though the sales numbers are off, there's still unbelievable amounts of opportunity if you're out there working. But that's a secret right now, right? You got to probably do it a little bit more for a little bit less. That's the market we're in. And guess what? You do that right now, it's going to pay dividends to you when things start to pick up. So remember, everybody, it's a beautiful life. Make it count.